Dinner recipes: beef. 1. Slow cooker beef stroganoff. Ingredients: 2 pounds beef stew meat, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1 can condensed cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup beef broth, 1 cup sour cream, 1 tsp Dijon mustard, 1 tsp Worcestershire sauce, 1 pound egg noodles, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a slow cooker, add the beef, onion, garlic, cream of mushroom soup, beef broth, Dijon mustard, and Worcestershire sauce. Stir to combine. 2. Cook on low for 6-8 hours or high for 3-4 hours. 3. When the beef is tender, cook the egg noodles according to package instructions. 4. Just before serving, stir in the sour cream to the beef mixture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Serve the beef stroganoff over the cooked egg noodles. 2. Grilled marinated flank steak. Ingredients: 1. 2 pounds flank steak, cup soy sauce, cup honey, cup olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tsp dried thyme, 1 tsp dried rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, olive oil, garlic, thyme and rosemary. 2. Place the flank steak in a large Ziploc bag and pour the marinade over it. Seal the bag and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. 3. Preheat your grill to high heat. 4. Remove the steak from the marinade and discard the excess marinade. 5. Sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the steak. 6. Grill the steak for 6-7 minutes on each side for medium rare or longer for desired doneness. 7. Let the steak rest for 5 minutes before slicing it against the grain. 8. Serve with your choice of sides, such as roasted vegetables or a salad. 3. Beef and broccoli stir fry. Ingredients: 1 pound beef sirloin thinly sliced, 2 tbsp cornstarch, 3 tbsp soy sauce, 2 tbsp oyster sauce, 1 tbsp honey, 1 tbsp sesame oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tsp grated ginger, 1 tbsp vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cups broccoli florets, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, combine the sliced beef, cornstarch, soy sauce, oyster sauce, honey, sesame oil, garlic and ginger. Mix well and set aside to marinate for 30 minutes. 2. In a large skillet or wok, heat the vegetable oil over high heat. 3. Add the marinated beef and stir fry for 3-4 minutes until browned. 4. Add the chopped onion and broccoli florets to the skillet and continue to stir fry for another 3-4 minutes. 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Serve the beef and broccoli stir fry over rice or noodles. 4. Beef and vegetable casserole. Ingredients: 1 pound beef chuck, cubed, 2 tbsp olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 cup beef broth, 1 tbsp tomato paste, 1 tsp dried thyme, 1 tsp dried rosemary, salt and pepper to taste. For potatoes, peeled and sliced, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 F190C. 2. In a large Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 3. Add the beef cubes and cook until browned on all sides.